my path has been quite interesting. Started off with, a different software, Becker. I used that for about 5.5 years and, didn't really have the success I was looking for. I probably took the exam in total between all 4 parts about 14 times and only had, one success story out of all 14. I started using UWorld, and I guess the success story comes in after that. I took reg right after that, and through using the software, a lot of the cool things that I enjoyed were, the short lectures, the engaging lectures, really the upbeat, mindset that Roger had within his lectures to keep me really engaged. Within that, it was a lot of the multiple choice questions in the SmartPath really kept me on track with some internal goals, which I really, really enjoyed. So from there, I passed reg and went on to using UWorld with the other 3 and passed all 3 of those on the first try. So basically, for me, it was a year's worth of studying with a new software that really is all it took. For me, it worked out. It was kind of that match made in heaven that I was looking for. And, it's really going to enhance my career now that I have the CPA exam done.